Have you ever stopped to wonder if collagen really works, or if it's just another overpriced trend? Today we're diving into this topic with a serious look, backed by science and free from brand influence or empty promises. Because real health comes from solid information, not flashy labels. Many people take collagen thinking it rebuilds skin, cartilage, or hair, but the truth is much more complex, and it depends on how, why, and which type you take. We're going to cover the different forms, the actual effects, and the most common myths, including some mistakes that almost no one talks about. You'll also learn why certain supplements work while others don't, how diet, exercise, and even gut health play a role in this process, and what you can start doing today to get real results, if collagen is right for you. No wasted money, no guesswork, just clarity. If that sounds like what you're looking for, stick around until the end. This video might change how you see collagen and how you take care of your health. Let's get into it. Have you ever stopped to think how amazing it would be to reach your goals in a simpler, more effective way? Sometimes a small change can make all the difference. If you're looking for something to help you take that step, maybe it's time to explore new options and discover what could work for you. Click the pinned link and discover my secret. Collagen is often referred to as the glue that holds our bodies together. This essential protein is the most abundant in the human body, making up about 30% of our total protein content. It is found in our skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage, providing structure and support. Without collagen, our bodies would lack the necessary framework to maintain their shape and function. It is the key component that ensures our tissues remain strong and resilient, allowing us to move, stretch, and withstand various physical stresses. This essential protein provides structure and support to our skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Imagine it as the body's natural reinforcement, a biological mesh that holds everything in place. Collagen fibers are incredibly strong and flexible, allowing our tissues to endure stretching and bending without tearing. This is why collagen is so crucial for maintaining the integrity of our skin and joints, preventing injuries and ensuring smooth, pain-free movement. Think of it as the scaffolding that gives our tissues their strength and elasticity. Just like the metal framework that supports a building, collagen provides the necessary support for our body's structures. It acts as a shock absorber in our joints, cushioning impacts and reducing wear and tear. This scaffolding effect is vital for our overall mobility and flexibility, allowing us to perform daily activities with ease and comfort. There are over 28 types of collagen found in the body, but the most abundant are types 1, 2, and 3. Each type has a specific role and location within the body, contributing to different aspects of our health and well-being. Understanding these types helps us appreciate the complexity and versatility of collagen, as well as its importance in various physiological processes. Type 1 collagen is primarily found in the skin, tendons, and bones, providing tensile strength. It is the most abundant type, accounting for about 90% of the body's collagen. This type is essential for maintaining the firmness and elasticity of our skin, as well as the strength and flexibility of our tendons and bones. Without type 1 collagen, our skin would sag, and our tendons and bones would be more prone to injuries and fractures. Type 2 is a major component of cartilage, offering cushioning and shock absorption in our joints. This type of collagen is crucial for maintaining the health and function of our joints, allowing for smooth and pain-free movement. It helps to reduce friction between bones, preventing wear and tear and ensuring that our joints remain flexible and resilient. Without type 2 collagen, our joints would be more susceptible to damage and degeneration, leading to conditions such as osteoarthritis. Type 3 collagen is often found alongside type 1 and plays a role in the structure of muscles and blood vessels. This type is essential for maintaining the integrity and function of our muscles and blood vessels, ensuring that they remain strong and flexible. It also helps to support the structure of our internal organs, providing the necessary framework for their proper function. Without type 3 collagen, our muscles and blood vessels would be weaker and more prone to damage, affecting our overall health and well-being. Understanding the different types of collagen is key because each type plays a unique role in the body. By knowing the specific functions and locations of each type, we can better appreciate the importance of collagen in maintaining our overall health and well-being. This knowledge also helps us make informed decisions about our diet and lifestyle, ensuring that we provide our bodies with the necessary nutrients to support collagen production and function. This knowledge becomes particularly important when we discuss the potential benefits of collagen supplementation for specific health concerns such as joint health or skin elasticity. By understanding the different types of collagen and their roles, we can choose the right supplements to address our specific needs. For example, if we are looking to improve our skin's elasticity and reduce wrinkles, we might choose a supplement that contains type 1 collagen. If we are concerned about joint health and want to reduce pain and inflammation, we might opt for a supplement that contains type 2 collagen. By making informed choices, we can maximize the benefits of collagen supplementation and support our overall health and well-being. Vitamin C is often mentioned alongside collagen, and for good reason. This essential nutrient is a key player in the complex process of collagen synthesis, which is vital for maintaining the health and integrity of our skin, bones, and connective tissues. It plays a crucial role in the synthesis of collagen within our bodies. Collagen, being the most abundant protein in the human body, acts as a scaffold that provides strength and structure. Vitamin C is indispensable in this process because it helps in the hydroxylation of collagen molecules, a chemical reaction that stabilizes the collagen structure. Without sufficient vitamin C, our bodies wouldn't be able to produce collagen effectively, leading to weakened tissues and potentially serious health problems like scurvy. Scurvy, a disease that plagued sailors in the past, is a stark reminder of the importance of vitamin C. Symptoms include bleeding gums, joint pain, and severe fatigue, all of which are linked to the breakdown of collagen. However, there's a common misconception that simply consuming high doses of vitamin C will automatically result in increased collagen production. While it's true that vitamin C is essential, the body has its limits on how much it can absorb and utilize at any given time. While vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, our bodies can only utilize a certain amount at a time. Excess vitamin C is excreted through urine, meaning that taking more than the recommended daily allowance won't necessarily boost collagen production. Taking megadoses of vitamin C won't necessarily translate to significantly higher collagen levels. Instead, it's more effective to maintain a consistent intake of vitamin C through your diet or supplements. The key is to ensure you're getting an adequate intake of vitamin C through a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and leafy greens are excellent sources of this vital nutrient, or through appropriate supplementation in consultation with your healthcare provider. By understanding the role of vitamin C and how to effectively incorporate it into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural collagen production and overall health. Section 4. Hydrolyzed versus non-hydrolyzed, breaking down the difference. When browsing collagen supplements, you'll likely encounter terms like hydrolyzed collagen and non-hydrolyzed collagen. The difference lies in the way the collagen is processed. Hydrolyzed collagen, also known as collagen peptides, has undergone a process called hydrolysis. This process breaks down the large collagen molecules into smaller peptides, making them easier for our bodies to absorb. Non-hydrolyzed collagen, on the other hand, retains its larger molecular structure. While hydrolyzed collagen is often favored due to its superior absorption, research is emerging on the potential benefits of specific types of non-hydrolyzed collagen, particularly for conditions like osteoarthritis. Section 5. Collagen's nutritional value, a protein among proteins. Collagen is a source of protein, providing the building blocks our bodies need for various functions. However, it's essential to understand its nutritional value in the context of other dietary proteins. Collagen is considered an incomplete protein because it lacks one of the 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but cannot produce on their own tryptophan. Compared to complete protein sources like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy, collagen falls short in terms of its overall amino acid profile. This doesn't mean collagen is not a valuable protein source, but it highlights the importance of consuming a variety of protein sources to ensure you're meeting your body's needs for all essential amino acids.